In today's video, I'm going to show you how to detect installed games in Epic Games so the launcher can recognize a game that's already on your computer without forcing you to download the whole thing again. This is super useful if you've moved a game folder, reinstalled Windows, or already have game files sitting on another drive and just want Epic Games to verify them quickly. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple gaming tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the Epic Games launcher and sign in to your account. Make sure you're using the correct account, especially if the game was originally purchased or claimed on a different profile. Once you're inside the launcher, click on Library. This is where all of your owned and installed games are listed. Now locate the game you want Epic Games to detect. If it already shows as available to install, that's completely fine. Click Install. At this point, Epic Games will ask you where you want to install the game. Choose the folder where the game is already installed or the folder where the existing game files are located. This is the key step because you want the launcher to look in the same place where the files already exist. If the launcher gives you a warning that the folder isn't empty, don't panic. That usually means Epic has found files in that location and is preparing to verify them. If needed, cancel the installation for a moment, then make sure the existing game files are copied into the selected folder correctly. The folder structure matters, so the actual game files should be in the location Epic expects them to be in. After that, start the installation again and select the same folder once more. Now let the launcher begin the process. Instead of downloading everything from scratch, Epic Games should start checking the existing files and verifying what's already there. This is exactly what you want, because verification is much faster than a full reinstall and it helps the launcher detect the game properly. Depending on the size of the game, this may take a few minutes. During that time, Epic Games is matching the files on your drive with the files it expects for that title. Once verification is complete, the game should be detected and marked as installed. From there, you can simply launch the game normally from your library. If it doesn't show up right away, give the launcher a moment to refresh or close and reopen Epic Games Launcher so it updates the library status. And that's it. You now know how to detect installed games in Epic Games using the verify and detect method. It's a simple trick, but it can save a lot of time and internet data. If this video helped you out, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick tech and gaming guides like this one.